Hola mis amigos, we're making sausage and potato casserole. I have preheated my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and here in a 13 by 9 inch baking dish, I have about 1 pound of red potatoes that I have quartered. And for me, that was about 8 to 10 potatoes. And I have added to that 1 onion that I have sliced. And next I am adding in 1 pound of roasted red peppers, 1 pound of beef Polska kielbasa sausage, but you can add, of course, whatever sausage you decide to go with. About a tablespoon of parsley flakes. You can use fresh or dried. I'm using dried because we are going to be adding some oil, so it'll be okay. And then, of course, some salt and black pepper to taste. And to round this all out, we are going to toss everything in about 1/4 cup of olive oil. This entire dish can really be eyeballed. You just kind of throw everything together until it looks nice. So I'm just going to stir this up, and then I'm going to cover this with some aluminum foil and place this in that 375 degree oven for 45 minutes, and then we'll be back for the next step. We are back, so now we are going to add some heavy cream, and I'm going to start with 1/2 cup, and then we'll go from there to see if we need some more. Just going to stir this in, and then this is going to go right back into the oven, covered for another 15 minutes or until the potatoes are nice and tender. But these are red potatoes that are quartered, so they're really already quite tender and good to go. I think I am going to add another 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And then after those 15 minutes, we are good to go to serve. Sausage and potato casserole. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.